The selection of Porsches we have and we sell is phenomenal. We've sold 3 today. This has just arrived, shark blue, so an unbelievable colour, 911 Carrera 4 GTS. So you've got GTS, you've got the 4-wheel drive, you've got the extended horsepower to 480, but it's about the extras. Shark blue, Aero Kit, gloss black exterior styling kit. It just looks tremendous. Sunroof, GTS Interior, heated GT steering wheel. It's all about the spec with these cars. The colour, it looks tremendous. You've got them GTS wheels finished in gloss black. With that gloss black styling, you've got the mirrors, the skirts all along the bottom. And then from the rear, it just looks tremendous because you've got the spoiler, you've got the rear diffuser with the gloss black around, and then that huge spoiler, 911 Carrera 4 GTS badging in black. Sports exhaust with it being the GTS, privacy glass, sunroof. It is beautiful. Best price 911 Carrera 4 GTS on a 23 in the country, and it's in shark blue with an Aero Kit. So it just, you know, ticks all the boxes. Inside, big option, GTS Interior. So that gives you the Alcantara and leather interior. And the theme of the colour is crayon, so this stitching's crayon. There's your Alcantara. Memory seat, 18-way adaptive memory seat, an option. BOSE, an option. GT heated steering wheel. Crayon Rev Counter. It's got park assist. It's got all the extras. Car's done just over 2,000 miles. Let me just start this car up. With it being a GTS, you've got sports chrono with a switchable exhaust, reversing camera, front and back sensors, and then the big one, tilt and glass sunroof, makes all the difference. There's a little button down here, heated steering wheel, press that button there. Now the car's, you've got all the different driving options, BOSE, just all the spec, Crayon seat belts. What a car, what a car. It's all about the spec though, that's what makes it. It's got ambient lighting, which is an extra. Look at that from the rear now with that light. You've got Porsche warranty for just under 3 years and Porsche assist, but that is a fantastic looking 911. It's the 4-wheel drive, Carrera 4 GTS, shark blue Aero Kit. It doesn't get much better.